let's design the next component, shoulder screw. Click on file, open new file, select part, click OK, select any plane, click on sketch and have a look over the drawing, try to understand it. We will create a circle and we will extrude it by 4 mm. So the outer circle is 10 mm diameter. We'll create a circle, give a dimension of 10 mm, exit, click on pad and we want it to be 4 mm. Let's reverse the direction or let's keep it. Okay, preview, click OK. So we have created this part. Now we have a circular profile of 6.25 mm diameter and the length is 27 mm. So let's select this face, click on sketch, click on circle, create a circle from the center, give dimension 6.25 mm diameter, come out of the workbench, click on pad and we want it to be 27 mm, click OK. Okay, so we have created the part and we have left out with this section. So we have a circle here with 4 mm diameter, the total length is 37 mm. So if we take reference from here, it is going to be 27 plus 4, 31, 37 minus 31, it is going to be 6 mm. So let's create a circle. From the center, give dimension, we want it to be 4 mm, come out of the workbench, click on pad and we want it to be 6 mm, preview, OK. So we have created the shoulder screw, Ctrl S, SHOULDEREW.